Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau, Konrad ke Sangma, unsaya kendu yo Menteri Rangba ke Asam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, hak sengisai jain ke Kanyau Terik Unaidung, Hajar Arpway, na ke bentaban penbek, ya ke sengi ban penlong, ya ke jingya kendu lang, hapadeng ki ardeli ki sorkar, ban ya keren halor ke jingya ke Japun. Konrad ulai itu ba unsaya kendu ba Himanta bat ya keren na kabenta ban bu sngi ban penya cakmat ya kejing ya keren halor kejing don kam ban penbek ya kejing ya kajapun. Kani kejing ya kendu hapedeng Konrad bat Himanta kadairu haswa ban wan menteri sorkar pedeng Amit Shah kajela hakaba sorkar jela kan ya keren ru halor kamat jing ya kajaput hapedeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam.
Said this entire thing is a process, and a lot of these decisions and discussions need to also be done in an informal way. So therefore, I don't want to kind of show the cards right now. But as I said, a lot of homework has gone into how we plan to move forward in this. But at this point in time, as I said, it will not be proper to discuss those details. But as I said, we are focusing basically on the fact that whatever solution we come up to must be an amicable solution and must be also some solution that is going to be acceptable in large, to the people of both the states. So we're trying to work on finding out if there can be a mechanism in that line. So obviously all the aspects of historical facts, constitutional issues, the population out there, all these factors will be factors that will come into play. But then ultimately how we will come to a solution is something that we are working towards. And as I said, it's not easy. It's an issue that has been there for 50 years. But we want to give it a try to find if we can find a solution and a way forward in this, how we can move forward in this. But as I said, it's not so simple. So this will require not just a commission, if you're saying commission, to look into the facts and figures, but it will a lot to do with political will also. So we'll have to really see it from all angles. So we could look into that suggestion also, but it's not been decided yet.
Sir, this consultative...
Third questions for me.